Hi there, this is Zaheer Ahmed, and in this video we will learn how to make this kind of pattern in your photos in just few minutes in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Welcome back to Brilliant World of Adobe Photoshop. So I'm deleting all things. So here we are a photo. If you want to download this photo and follow along, please check the links in description. So first of all, we need to do just make a copy or backup by pressing Ctrl J and just simply desaturate it. So I'm working non-destructively, so I'm making a layer of hue and saturation and desaturate it all the way. Take one more layer of solid colors, which is 50% gray. So you can type here the hex code 808080 or simply type 50 in brightness. So hit OK, and now this layer convert into a smart object. Let's right click on it and then convert into smart object. Now select this layer, that is smart object, and simply go to filter gallery, and in sketch section you can choose the halftone pattern. So select this one and choose here the halftone, and you can even increase or decrease the size of your pattern. So if you are looking here, so there is a box, you can increase the size of boxes by changing these values. So I'm type here just 1, and you can add more contrast. So I'm adding here contrast around 1 pixel, and simply choose the dots and hit OK. Now select this layer and go to filters, distort and 12. Follow these settings. You can even increase the angle. So I am putting here 70 and hit OK. Now change the blending mode of this layer in hard mix, and you can even decrease the opacity around 40%. And look here, our pattern is ready. We can add some color on it. So how we can add? If we want red, black, green or any color, so what we can do, just make a new layer of gradient map and single click on this and double click on this. Now add the color that you want to make the color pattern. So I'm putting here blue, just like this, and hit OK and OK. So here we are. So you can change even again pattern. So double click on filter gallery, hit OK, and increase the contrast. I think I need 20, and increase the dot size around 3 pixels and hit OK, and there we are. Now here's the big advantage of smart filter. You can change the values later. So double click on it and change the values. I think 2 pixels, and this is the 10 pixels, and simply hit OK, and there we are. So now you can change the color. So just open this gradient map, click on this one, double click on this slider and add the color, any color that you want to add, and hit OK. So look overall, here's before and here is the after. So that's all for this video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel to get notified for every single updates. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. I will see you in my next one. Stay tuned, and Allah Hafiz.